Guys, I'm actually shook. Maybe we found the best stick foundation ever. I don't know. So this is what the foundation looks like. It's just like a classic little stick foundation. The package is kind of cool. It's like matte, kind of nude, and it has rose gold, which is really pretty. This was literally only $9 on Ulta, and it has 4.5 stars out of 5. So that's what really drew me to this, because I am always on the hunt for a good stick foundation. I'm so not impressed by most stick foundations. Pretty much the only one I like is the Hourglass. And I've tried probably like 5 stick foundations. So I really want to see if this is any good. I got the shade F6. It looks like they have a pretty good selection of colors, which is nice as well. And it's affordable. Foundation just got faster, available in multiple shades and a range of undertones. Fast base stick foundation quickly perfects contours and highlights your complexion. So this would probably also be great, you know, to highlight and contour with, but I actually just got my hopefully correct shade for my face. So if we like this, maybe I'll go back and purchase, you know, contour and highlight shades. So let's see if this color is a match. I did order online, so you never know. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be pretty good. I've already primed my face. If you can hear my laundry in the background, I'm sorry. I usually find with like cream and stick foundations that they blend out best with a brush, because they are on the thicker side. Oh wow, that color is actually perfect. A miracle. So the brush I'm using to blend this out, if you're curious, is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I just got it at Target. It's a really good brush. Okay, so that is just one cheek all done. The coverage is really nice. It's got a really nice consistency to it. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel too heavy, because sometimes, you know, stick and cream foundations feel kind of like thick. So right now my skin is on like the normal to dry side. So I want to see, you know, if this kind of like breaks up or starts to feel dry throughout the day. I'm just stoked that the color matches my neck. So cheek to cheek, pretty good. So you definitely only need one layer. I know I have a lot to cover. So it's really nice that using this, I don't have to use concealer on any of my acne or hyperpigmentation. And this blends out really easily. And I'm not usually a fan of blending out my foundation with a brush. This blends out really nice. I can see on here that as I was just applying it to my face, it kind of like got smushed a little bit. And I'm just taking my beauty sponge and kind of getting rid of any last few brush strokes on my face, because that happens. I can never get like on and around my nose perfectly blending foundation in with a brush. I don't know if it's just me, but I always have to go back in with a sponge. It definitely blends best with a brush, but I just like to get rid of those few little brush strokes. So this is one layer of the foundation. Even when I look at it up close, it looks really nice. It doesn't look cakey on the skin. It didn't like attach to any dry patches. It just kind of looks like skin, which is really nice. It has kind of like a natural to dewy finish. It doesn't dry down, you know, super matte, which is nice for me, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin either. So far, I really like it. So I'm just gonna go finish my normal makeup routine and set with like my normal face powder and all that jazz, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished my makeup. Guys, I'm actually shook. This is so pretty. I just feel like it looks really, really good. Especially for a stick foundation, because you know what? With certain stick foundations, even when I put them on like right away, I sometimes just don't like how they sit on the skin. Like they're either too thick or too creamy, like they just kind of like sink into your pores. But this looks really nice. It looks like super airbrushed full coverage. It looks just like any other normal liquid full coverage foundation. I wouldn't even know this was a stick. I just set it with my usual airspun powder, sprayed with my normal setting spray. We're giving it a full chance. So right now, It is 9 o'clock in the morning. So today is Saturday. I'm gonna go get a pedicure. I'm gonna film some videos. I don't know if I'm going out on date night tonight. I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna do a few check-ins throughout the day and I'll let you guys know how it holds up. But so far, it's really pretty. Really pretty, and it's $9. Yes, let's see if it holds up. Okay. It is 12:53, so it's almost 1 o'clock. Had the foundation on for 4 hours. Yes, I'm here. I have a fake nose ring in. I got this on Amazon if you're curious. It's so cute. It's like a double nose ring, but it's fake and it's great. I've been filming. I went and got a pedicure. I did a try on haul where I always sweat, and the foundation still looks totally flawless. It hasn't even creased around my nose, and that happens with like every foundation. I am so obsessed with this so far. It looks so good. It looks so good, and it hasn't oxidized. It's not like orange. It still looks like the same color. Guys, maybe we found the best stick foundation ever. I don't know. I am so excited right now. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with my day and I'll check in again later. Okay guys, so I've actually had this foundation on for 15 hours, if you don't believe me. It is literally 12:36. I didn't even plan on going out tonight, but it's actually Cinco de Mayo when I'm filming this. I'm really tired, but I had to come on and share how good the foundation still looks. Like, it's actually shockingly still really good. It's definitely not perfect, but it's by far as good as it probably could be for like any foundation, you know, over 15 hours later. I've been sweating. I think it looks really good. Really, really good. This is by far the best stick foundation I've ever tried, and the price point is amazing. Didn't oxidize. It still looks really nice. I haven't really touched up at all today. I highly recommend this. I hope you guys check it out. I'll link it below if you want to shop it from Ulta. And I'm so impressed and tired, but I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill